We did it. I'm so proud to say that our very first ever Unleashing of Potential retreat happened at this organic farm.
We created experiences and workshops to connect with who we truly are, and the result of that was closer connections to each other and to ourselves. In between the activities, we enjoyed the local fruits that Costa Rica has to offer. Juices at a market, or a watermelon after a beautiful hike around the volcano of Arenal. And a fresh outdoor bamboo shower was always waiting for us at the end of the day.
After months of preparation, it was great to finally see it all come together.
In the workshops, we talked about how to get out of our minds, about acceptance versus resistance, and how to create change to really unleash the potential that we all have within us.
The week was a mix of emotions, and we'll share all about it at the end of the video. But first, let's show you some of the activities that made us come alive. I'm so proud that it actually happened, but looking back on it and going back to like day one, there was like so many emotions going through myself, and I kind of felt like it almost seemed like I was distracted throughout that day. So much beforehand, I I wanted to prepare so much, and then it was this feeling like, oh, did I prepare enough? And then in day one, it had this feeling like, oh, is this gonna be enough? Is this organized well enough? And I was distracting myself so much that I was missing like just being there and then. And like kind of in the afternoon of that first day, kind of the shift started happening when we went into nature. And really, like, as of day 2, I could really sense that I could just feel like everything settling in, and me being present in that moment, and just kind of trusting that I do have enough experience to just do this. That kind of changed everything. And suddenly I could listen so much better. We could trigger the insights that were needed, and all of the activities started making more sense, and everything started flowing together. And that's why I'm so happy that this happened, just because I'm just happy that action happened, that everything went forward.
I had a very similar experience as well, where the first evening and the first morning, a lot of things got triggered in me that made me think, like, can I actually do this? Am I actually good enough to do this? And I think we felt it also in our flow together, because actually we work really well together, especially when we give workshops. But in the beginning, we're still feeling each other out as well. And a click came within the workshop. We took a moment to just to allow everyone to be and do something that made them come alive. And I went to sit down or lay down in a hammock and just really take in the nature around. And that brought the click for me as well, of like, actually, this is what I also just need to do, be in the present moment. And from there on out, we were able to also take the things we'd prepared for that week with insights, and use the things that were brought up within the workshops by the participants, and create the next thing based also on that. And that created a really good flow. It felt really good for us, and it also felt good for them. And it's nice to see that this is truly what we wanted it to be, in the sense that we were able to provide experiences that gave insights and still learn at the same time as well for us. And we've been really lucky, because even just with the week and how it went, we have so many things to be grateful for, like the family that we set this up with, but also just random things that weren't in our control. Like the weather was phenomenal at the times that we needed it to be. We went to this volcano that only has a clear sight 50 days out of the year, and it was clear the whole day round. We found this random campfire on the beach just as we were doing this beautiful closing moment, and there was no one there, so we got to use it for the night. Like these random things that just contributed to making it really a special experience. And we're happy that this was the first thing that really came into action, and that from here on out we can use this as the experience to build the next things.
Yeah. Right now we're taking this moment to sit here in kind of Pachamama, it's called. It's a place in the jungle where we have our little cabin. And we're now planning on the next things. The next things to come in what we'll do in Denver, Colorado, or what we'll do in Canada, or what we'll do in Spain in August, or in Belgium. So exciting things are coming our way. So I'm excited to put everything that we're learning into all of that.
And we will keep you updated.
All right. Bye, friends.
See you next time.
See you next time.